Hey, what is me, Spider here with another Minecraft video. Today we are gonna be building, if you know the title, the Cruser Mark 1. This is a British vehicle. It was used in early 1940 or 41 during the North Africa campaign by Germany. So yeah, So basically, this has 3 turrets. The main cruiser turret before the spaced armor was attached, and 2 smaller turrets. I can show you, like, right now. Okay, I'll show you now. Okay, so you saw those, and so basically, this is based off of a Valentine chassis, or the Valentine is based off of this kind of chassis. So you can see like the similarities. If I go all the way over to my Valentine, which I made so much long ago, I still need to do the BMP. So here's based off like the Valentine chassis, and it had the item frame there. But okay, so yeah, it's a little bit different because it doesn't the Cruser Mark 1 doesn't have like the gradient things. It just has an engine sign and like a couple vents that it couldn't really do that good on here. So what you're gonna need for the first layer is a nether brick slab, stone slab, birch trapdoor, spruce trapdoor, let's see, oak button, item frame, and also you're gonna need a petrified oak, an oak slab if you want to do camouflage, like that, camouflage stuff, you know, camouflage. So yeah. So let's get started. So what you want to place first is have you're also going to need a nether brick. So first you want to place a nether brick block right there, and then place a slab right there, and then go from here, go 5. 1, 2, 2, 3, 4, 5. So including this, that's all 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then go 3 wide. 1, 2, 3, and place another brick slab there, and then go 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Let's go with another nether brick slab there, and yep. And then the front. Now you can fill in the body of your vehicle between the 2 tracks, and then what you want to do is place a 1 right there, or either put 2 spruce, or 1 like that, or 1 like that, or like that, or like that. Just interchange them how you want. I'm just gonna do it like this. So this is basically the first. Oh wait, no, you need to put the 2 buttons on the front, and there and there. Now you could put your item frames on. Right there and there. Now I need to get in render distance of my command blocks that make it day, which is now it is. Okay. So now you have that. Now you're done with the first layer. Now you can go into the second layer. Okay, for the second layer you're gonna need let's get rid of this. You're gonna need this or this sandstone slab, oak slab if you want to do camouflage. You're gonna need a smooth sandstone, sandstone stairs, and an oak stairs. You're gonna also need a lever, and that's it. Oh, you're also gonna need a debug stick. So yeah, so second layer you want to place down 2 standard slabs, or oak slabs if you want to do camouflage, like that. And then you want to place 2 smooth sandstone, and then put levers on the front, facing the front of the vehicle, and then place whatever sandstone or oak if you want. If you want to do camouflaging, put sandstone because I like it better. And then place 2 stairs of your choice right there on the sides, and put 2 right there. Stairs of your choice. Now put then put a slab of your choice right there and there, and then go put more slabs of your choice there and all the way back to the rear end. And now for the inner part, you want to place a stair there and a stair there. Yes, you want to do that. Now take your debug stick and go to shape right there, and then click it like that. So it's like that. So I have like a U shape. Let's put our stairs. Like that. So let's put our shapes. So make this like horseshoe shape, like that. Now, what you're going to want to do is take your stair, put it like here, and then like across to here. Now you can fix these. So you have that. And now, I believe, wait, no, we can place a which trapdoor of your choice right here. So this vehicle doesn't really come in green because it was not that I know of. It was never used in Europe, just Africa. So that's why it's exclusively camouflaged by a desert. But you can make it whatever you want. So yeah. So you are now done with the second layer. And, okay. Now it's... Wait, is there bats in there? No, I don't think so. Here? Okay, I don't know. Bats. I can place another smooth stand on there. Now let's fix your stairs up, because I always mess up when you place a block next to them. So now you're done with the second layer. Now onto the third layer. So lip smacking. What you're gonna need for the third layer, you're gonna need a lip smacking end rod, a birch or an oak, fence gates, and then what you want to do is take the birch or spruce trapdoor. Now take your smooth stone, your slabs, both of your slabs and both of your stairs, which don't fit in your inventory. And you're also gonna want a debug stick. Huzzah. Ooh, and you're also going to need gray carpet. So let's start by the back of the vehicle. Let's put 2 gray carpet right there. And then let's place a trapdoor right there, right there. So you have those. So that's where the hatch is. Next, you want to place your stairs. Let's get my stairs. Right there. And go 3 and do cross like this. Place your stairs, your smooth sandstone to the front, like that. So you have this there. Put 1 like that. So you have this donut shape. Now I'm going to place a trapdoor of your choice for camouflage and do like this. And then put I'm gonna put an oak fence gate because I think it looks better right there for the pom-pom gun that was mounted on this vehicle. I can show you that right now. See, pom-pom. I couldn't really put anything better. I couldn't find any better gun for a pom-pom gun. So yeah, there's that. Now what you want, I think that's the third layer, so, yeah, on to the next layer. So, the fourth layer, what you want to do is place 3 trapdoors of choice right here. And do 1, 2, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now place a slab of your choice across right here, like make a 4x4 square, like that. 4x4 square. I need more tan. Let's just do this. So now you have a 4x4 square. Now place 2 stairs of your choice right here for the commander's cupola. Now get rid of that trapdoor, and you're gonna need for the antenna, which is gonna be all by itself. It's gonna be nice, and so you need a debug stick and a lever. How to get a debug stick is let's give your name or at p Minecraft DEB UG stick right there. But I already have one, so yeah. Let's place a, so what you want to do is place a smooth sandstone there, or a block of your choice. That is not, yeah, so now what you want to do is click to wall, so shift click right there, till it's right that, no, okay, no, make it to facing, you want to make it face north, now you want to make it on wall, so cliff, no, it's like that. You can replace your spruce trapdoor. It has to be spruce because it's supposed to be spruce. And now for the antenna, huzzah! I'll place one right there and one on top. And then you got yourself a Cruser Mark 1. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and wish you Merry Christmas if you're not in Christmas or after Christmas 2018. Oh. There are bats in there. That's a lot of bats. Okay. That's a lot of bats. Oh boy. Let's put an end rod there. Now that is a lot of bats. Okay, let's fix this Nooba up. Why are there no bats in here? Let's put this away. So, hope you enjoyed the video. And I hope you guys see you guys next time.